Hey people, welcome to Exploring jelaiZki. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button or like and share this video. So for today, we will be reviewing the Joyroom JR-TL1 through wireless headphone.
So we still have to sanitize all of the products that you are receiving online. So in the box, it's a little bit actually hard to open, but you will just have to push the black on the top part of the box and it will slide down. In the box, you have an extra 4 pieces of ear tips, which you can use or change according how comfortable you can wear it on your ears. You have this compact case that serves also as the charging port of the headphone, and it also has a portable lanyard which is attached and secured very well. This is very compact and portable, which is easy to put it in your finger for carrying. When you open the case, it has like a magnetic feel, and also the headphone, when you put it back on the case, it has like a magnetic feel to it, so it attached right away to the charging port. So on the other stuff that is inside the box is the charging cable and the manual instruction. Your headphones doesn't come off easily when you open the case and try to remove it. Complete charging, the headphones red light turns off, and charging case has 4 white light that stops blinking. It has an ergonomic design for more comfortable movement, and it also has an IPX7 waterproof, so no fear of downpour. I tested it when playing games or watching YouTube. For me, the latency is very minimal, that it is not actually irritating.
So when you connect it to your phone or to your laptop, you will just have to tap it once to pause the music. See? Or tap it once again to play it again. And tap it twice to play the next music. And you have to tap it 3 times for assistance, voice assistance. When both headphones are connected, the right headphone is the one who's going to do the function for the play, pause, and voice assistance. But if you're using one at a time, both headphones can do the same functionality. I came from a wireless and wired headphone. So for the first time, I bought this TWS, and from the beginning, I had a little time on, I have a little hard time on how to put this in my ear comfortably. But when you get the hang of it, you will just have to insert it, tap it, and just move whatever you want to go or run or walk. When you take the headphone out of the case, it will automatically blink. So you can just connect it to your phone or laptop right away. And if you want to stop using it, you will just have to press. Then, there you see, it double blinks. And if you want to use it again, you will just have to press it again. And it will light back. When your headphone is already connected to your phone or laptop, you will hear a dong dong sound. And when the headphone is low battery, you will actually hear a man sigh like like that. At first it was actually creepy and kind of annoying at first, but when you get the hang of it, you'll get used to it. I have also tested this or tried this during calls. So during a call, when somebody is calling you, you will just have to tap once to answer, and also to end the call, you will just have to tap once. But you need to speak a little bit louder so that the other person on the other line will hear you loud and clear. The Bluetooth version of this TWS is already number 5, and it has a 300 mAh 30 days standby time, and it also has a 6 hours of playtime. I have been alternately using this for the last 2.5 weeks before I charge it. But this TWS headphone, I've been using this already for a month now, and I only charge it twice. So that what's amazed me more is the battery life of this headphone. One of the downsides that I have encountered when I'm using this headphone is that when you try to connect it to your phone, sometimes it doesn't connect automatically, which is, I think, is one of the problems when you're using a TWS headphone. So for troubleshooting, what you will just have to do is pair or unpair it to be able to use both phones or headphones, or use it alternately. And the other one is when you pair this to your laptop and you wanted to use it using your phone, but your phone and your laptop are near to each other, when the Bluetooth of your laptop is open, it will also automatically connect to the laptop, which is somewhat annoying because you cannot disconnect it in your laptop, and you would have to unpair it. So those are the two downsides that I experience using this headphone. But all in all, I actually love using this TWS headphone. So if you're on a budget and you wanted to buy a TWS headset, I actually or highly recommend this product, the Joyroom JR-TL1. I mostly enjoy the comfort of wearing it in my ears when I'm using it for a long time, and it doesn't fall off easily. And the sound quality is actually fantastic, even though it's in the range of a budget TWS headphone. There are no crack beats, and you can actually hear the bass perfectly. And when you're outside, you don't actually hear much of the surroundings, which is very nice. So if you're looking something cheap and awesome true wireless sound headphone, I highly recommend this Joyroom JR-TL1. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in another review. Have a good day guys!